Assalamualaikum. My name is Widi Mutakin from Expos Academy. I am an entrepreneur and have founded several creative-based companies. I have done hundreds of design projects and worked with dozens of clients around the world. I am also an academic lecturer and corporate consultant in computer graphics disciplines. For more than 2 decades, I have been teaching graphic design, 2D and 3D animation, video editing and motion graphics, architectural visualization, digital painting, web design, game development, etc. Canva is an online application that has forever changed the face of the design industry. Canva has made it possible for anyone to create stunning designs quickly, even if they are not a designer, while still giving professional designers plenty of room to channel their creativity. With Canva, you can create graphic designs for print and digital media, create presentations, edit videos and add animation, write content, and even build websites. If you want to master Canva quickly from beginner to advanced, then this online course is the answer. There are a total of 9 chapters in this course. In the first chapter, you will learn how to create an account and get started with Canva. In the second chapter, you will learn to create a new project, then learn to use templates, utilize an AI feature called Magic Design, then work with folders, and then learn to publish design projects. In the third chapter, you will learn various design editing techniques, from how to add design elements, setting various parameters related to shapes, text, photos, and graphics. Then learn to upload and use your own image assets. Learn to use the group and frame features. Then learn to use various layout techniques in Canva. Then you will also learn how to edit PDF files using Canva. In the fourth chapter, we will focus on features related to Canva docs and website projects. You will learn to create online documents by combining text, graphics, diagrams, and even videos. Then, you will be guided to create a website without writing any codes, add animation effects to the website, and finally, put the website online. In the fifth chapter, we will focus on various animation and video features in Canva. You will learn how to create animations per page, then animations per element, and then create custom animations. Next, you will learn how to edit videos using Canva, such as cutting clips, and creating transitions between videos. Furthermore, you will learn to combine animation features with video features in a single project. In the sixth chapter, we will focus on presentation and whiteboard projects. You will learn how to create presentation layouts, add notes to presentation slides, perform presentations utilizing the presenter view, and various unique features that can help spice up your presentation. Then, you will learn how to create tables. Then learn chart creation techniques in depth. With this feature, you can create infographics or make boring data presentations look more attractive. After that, you will learn to create a whiteboard project in Canva. With this type of project, it is as if you have a huge whiteboard or one with infinite size. You can use it to create very large diagrams, Kanban boards, mind maps, flowcharts, and so on. All of these can be very useful if you want to manage a team. In the seventh chapter, you will learn various AI or artificial intelligence features in Canva. You'll be able to generate images by simply typing in texts or prompts. Then, you'll be able to easily remove the background and leave the main object, or the other way around, remove certain objects from an image. You can even magically swap one object for another without having to take a photo or draw it yourself manually. Then, with Canva's Magic Write feature, you can quickly create a script without having to write the text yourself. In the eighth chapter, you will learn about Canva's collaboration and team management features. And in the last chapter, you will learn various features in Canva to manage your brand, such as creating a brand kit, creating brand templates, and managing brand usage with brand controls. By taking this online course, inshallah, you and your business will be able to utilize Canva to its fullest potential. After this, creating designs of any kind will no longer be a burden for you. Instead, it will be your edge over the competition. So, don't wait any longer. Join this course now. Wassalamualaikum.